Unfortunately, most of what Paul gets is difficult. His queue is pretty much represented by this pin that he keeps on his lamp here. So one of his favorite jobs to do is air no power. And here we've actually found an amazing air that has no power. Where's the MagSafe on this?
Where do I plug this in, Lewis?
Where do you...
Oh, hello.
What? Let's see if it turns on. Can you put it on the desk and try to plug it in?
Alright, so we're going to put it on our desk. And then we're going to grab our MagSafe. And...
How the fuck do you
there we go. Right? Secured.
Beautiful.
Okay, we're going to turn our power. We have green light, so 3v4 choose present, right?
Alright.
Hit the power button, because it's probably old like that. And... oh. Wait. What's one beep? Oh no. What is one beep?
I think that means... well, it's no power. So Paul needs to replace the MCP-79U.
Was this before 3 beeps, Lewis?
I think. Well, it has beep 3 times.
SMC reset?
Look at the location of the charger on this. Look at this. Apple outdid themselves with this. Look at that. Look at that. Try putting it down on the desk. What happens to the charger when you put it on the desk?
Comes right off.
Beautiful. These actually came with their own specialized bench charger that angled out this way and everything. Rumor has it that the first 100 customers that bought this got a free replacement MCP-79U in an anti-static bag with their machine. And the rest, no luck for them. So,